Today we're gonna make a paper airplane. You always want to make it on a hard surface, a table or something like that. In this case, I'm making it on a book. First, you do a hot dog fold like that, right in half. Next, you open it up, take this edge, fold it like that. Then you take the other edge and do the exact same thing. Then you grab the end, pull right up, and try to line it up with the first crease right here. Fold right here, then it makes a little, almost an envelope shape. Then you take this right here and take the other side, put it right here. Then you should have this little flap and put it right up, and then to also match the first crease. Then you take this, you fold it right in half. Try to make it as perfect as possible. Take the other side and this side and do that. Then you take the other side and you can almost make it the wings perfectly matching by putting this wing right at the same part as the other thing. Sorry, but this is our little sister calling for lunch. 1 second. Okay, there we go. We got the paper airplane. Sorry for the interruption.